The Canon EOS 6D Mark II is Canon's entry-level full-frame camera, replacing the original EOS 6D. The 6D Mark II features a new 26-megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers excellent image quality in a wide range of shooting situations. The 6D Mark II is an impressively responsive camera, capable of shooting at up to 6.5 frames per second. The camera's conventional 45-point autofocus system works in combination with the 7560-pixel RGB infrared metering sensor. There's no dedicated AF positioning joystick, but the 6D Mark II does offer a vari-angle touchscreen, which can be used to manually position the AF point in live view and video modes. The EOS 6D Mark II's dual-pixel AF system covers 80% of the frame, and it offers excellent speed and accuracy, including subject tracking in live view and video modes. HD video is available at up to 60 frames per second, and the 6D Mark II includes a microphone input. The design of the 6D Mark II's dust and moisture-resistant body will be familiar to anyone who has used a contemporary Canon DSLR. Other features include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, and a 4K time-lapse movie mode. Overall, the EOS 6D Mark II is a fast, pleasant-to-use DSLR, which offers some solid improvements over the original 6D. For more information on the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, visit dpreview.com.